And the most important step of your makeup is actually taking it off.
Hey, I'm maybe Burke, and you're watching Makeup for Lost Time. This is my series for trans women and other people who feel like they missed a few classes when it came to learning about makeup.
A lot of people overlook skin prep when they're talking about makeup application, but prepping your skin, cleaning your skin, all of those things are actually paramount to how your makeup wears. So while I'm doing a face mask, I figured I'd go over how I kind of like reset my skin. This is a routine I actually probably should be doing weekly, but I'm doing it like sporadically right now. Always start by cleansing. At the end of the night, I'm always going to do a double cleanse. I use the Oat Cleansing Balm from Inkey list to take off my makeup, and then a gentle cleanser just to wash my face. Because if you're only washing your face once, you're actually just taking your makeup off. You're not actually washing your face. And so right now I have the Somerville MegaC Brightening Facial Mask on. I've loved this for just like giving my skin like a refresh and a reset. Vitamin C is great for a brightening effect, and I really love this mask for it. I let this sit on my face for about 20 minutes while I will touch up my eyebrows. And there's a whole other video I've done about my eyebrows and how I touch them up. So you can go find that if you're curious what I'm doing. I have gone over my like skincare basics before, which is just to clean your skin, moisturize, and protect it. So this mask is like an extra treatment step. This is a little more in-depth of what I would do if you want to go beyond the basics. But also there's like different treatment steps to treat different things and like concerns you might have. I also think when talking about skincare, it's really important for me in particular to name that I'm on like a prescription grade retinol, and my HRT, I'm on spironolactone, which is also like diagnosed for like acne treatments and folks with PCOS. So I have benefits of like certain medications that actually help improve my skin, or at least like aid in my skincare. But still, having a steady skincare routine is crucial. I said before, the most important part of your makeup routine is taking it off. The most important part of your skincare routine, more than any ingredient that you're using, more than any specific product, the most important part of skincare is consistency. And I don't mean like the texture or consistency, like doing it consistently. Every day that you don't moisturize, every time that you're not taking care of your skin, it takes all the more time to recover from that. You can't just like do a face mask and expect everything to be like perfect the next day. First of all, skin's never gonna be perfect. Skin is skin, we're human. But if you want like intense results, if you want like lasting effects, and if you want like your best skin, staying consistent and taking care of it regularly is the way to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off once it's been on for 20 minutes, and we'll show you how I hydrate and moisturize. Now we already did our clean step, that was our treatment step. I'm also using this washcloth to kind of manually exfoliate my lips, getting any extra dead skin off of there. I personally love this lip conditioner from MAC. It's like one of the only lip products that really help keep my lips hydrated. I'll use this lip conditioner before almost like every look that I do, honestly. I let it set while I like do the rest of my face. And then I'm gonna go in with like a Milky toner. I got this one from Byoma recently, and I've been really liking it. And this is just for some hydration, especially after a mask like that. My skin can be really tight and dry. And so this is just waking that back up. And then another Inkey list. I love this caffeine eye cream. This is like my daytime eye cream because I am doing this in my morning routine. And just take that right underneath the eyes and then take what's left up onto the eyelid. And Beekman 1802 sent me this like nice toner spray. I haven't really like noticed the difference with it, but it kind of feels like luxurious to spray on me. I think it's called a milkshake because you have to shake it to like mix it together. Yeah, it's hyaluronic acid and squalene facial toner mist. I love both of those ingredients, so why not? And then my favorite moisturizer is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I have repurchased this I don't even know how many times. It's a little on the expensive side, but I really love it. My skin loves it. And I can really tell the difference when I use like a drugstore moisturizer versus this one. This is a splurge I'm willing to make. And that is going to be our top layer. We are purposely working in like order of viscosity. We're using the thinner formulas before we go in with the thicker ones to let everything really like sink into the skin. And that moisturizer is like a final layer to keep everything intact and in place. And I said a final layer, but there is one more step, which is protecting our skin. It is daytime, so I'm going to be putting on an SPF. I recently got these samples from Paula's Choice, so I'm going to be trying this Youth Extended Daily Hydrating Fluid, but it's a broad spectrum SPF 50. Oh, this is wetter than I thought it was going to be. It's very watery for an SPF. I don't give a flying fuck about youth extending. I'm never trying to look younger than I am. I embrace aging, but a lot of what is like thought of as anti-aging and youth extending is just like good old skincare. People want to slow down aging. I just want to make sure my makeup wears well. Oh, this is like a very moisturizing. Maybe this could just be the moisturizer I use. You have to use a good amount to get like the SPF payoff that it claims. So it's taking me a while to like actually rub this in, but it is very hydrating. Oh, I kind of like this. This is gonna come with me on my trip next week. So I'm going to California, I'm gonna need some sunscreen. And there we have a little skincare reset. You can see my skin looks nice and hydrated. There's a little glow from that vitamin C mask and a good mixture and balance of hydration and moisture. And now I'm good to go in with my makeup and have a nice base, a hydrated base to go in on, so that no matter the formulas I'm using, it's not gonna be too drying and it's not gonna be dull on my face.